Snapchat is one of the most popular messaging apps in the world and especially great if you like communicating in photos. My name is Abdullah. You're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we're talking about how you can set up a timer to take your own pictures in Snapchat. Adding a timer on Snapchat is incredibly easy. All that you have to do is tap on the down arrow in the main camera section and then tap the timer button. When you tap the timer button again, this gives you access to the video timer duration, which means you can adjust it from 1 second all the way to 2 minutes. In previous versions of Snapchat, it used to be 10 seconds. And once you've set the length of your recording adequately, you can hit on set timer. And now if I press the button, it does a small countdown and then it automatically starts recording up to the duration that you have selected. If you like this video, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon and tell us in the comments below what more such content can we make for you. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.